stuck behind a very slow moving car. Thankfully, it's indicating a way. Thank the Lord, it's gone. We're still stuck behind another slow car, mind. Someone's aggressively banging on the upstairs. That's what that noise is, if you were curious. A kid or something banging the roof of the upstairs. You might just be able to see there's nothing in front except that yellow car that's going quite slow. Or maybe it's just observing the speed limit, I don't know. Do excuse the banging. Someone upstairs is making a racket. I'm not sure who's doing that, but it's a bit annoying, like. Just a little jolt to time off and back, why not? On me deck there. 3995, I think. No. 6131. I think. Oh, aye, it is. 6131's come out then. Don't think that's been on this yet. I swear that's only just come out. He's heaving anyway. Look at that. Absolutely rammed. I think they've upped the PVR a bit because there's loads of buses on the 900 now. Because it is really busy. A lot of the services are. But I've been quite lucky in that I've gotten journeys both ways and they've both been really quiet. So I count myself lucky with that. This isn't too bad, to be fair. It's a bit bland, isn't it? It's just a corporate one. It's got these just grey seats. They're alright. Nice and comfy. Ish. Yeah, it takes a very odd route on its way into North Shields because of a diversion and some road closures. So it comes down this way and then goes along Savile Street and then up and then down again. It's very weird. But it does mean we'll go past Bedford and you'll be able to see presumably a lot of buses. I think there's quite a few in Bedford at the moment. I was checking to see if we were being followed. I thought there was a bus behind us, not though. Right, here we go, coming up to Bedford. Let's see what's actually in at the moment. It's been a couple of minutes since I last checked bus times. Omnidecker. That's 9.5. There's a coaster and a 317 behind it. I did want that Omnidecker, to be fair. I wanted to ride it. Sad I didn't. 3995. Both times I got a StreetDeck. I just missed 3995 at timeout. Yeah, and then it comes up here and then goes round again. Weird. But nonetheless, we're here. Coming into Bedford. Behind the 317 and the 1. Unless he drops us off here, he might actually. He is. Yeah, but he's dropping us off here.